Hi, I'm Mike Nelson
And I'm Monica Nelson.
of Long & Foster Real Estate Incorporated, your Maryland and Pennsylvania realtors.
Let's take a look at this week's featured listing.
Welcome to the desired community of Lutherville, Timonium, Maryland. 110 East Seminary Avenue is a charming, well-maintained 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, brick and shingle, split-level home with a 1-car garage. Walk into a large living room with a fireplace, hardwood floors, and crown molding. The remodeled kitchen includes granite countertops, tile backsplash, new cabinets and flooring, a large bar, and stainless steel appliances with gas stoves. The kitchen is open to the dining room, which gives access to the deck and the large backyard. A few steps up gives way to 3 bedrooms and a remodeled full bathroom. The master bedroom is very nice with its own private full bathroom. The second bedroom is large with lots of natural light, and the third bedroom also gives you plenty of space. Down a few steps from the main level is a mudroom with laundry, a half bath, and it also has a 4th bedroom with a walk-in closet. A few more steps down from there gives you an unfinished basement, which is large enough to finish it into a family or rec room, and it still gives you plenty of storage room. There are many updates, including a newer roof, HVAC, water heater, windows, and deck. Don't miss out on this home.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our contact information is below. We look forward to talking to you.
Main Street Home Loans, marketing rich enough to be used by America's finest real estate agents.